Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 8500W Electric Start Dual Fuel Home Backup Portable Inverter is a robust and versatile generator that stands out in its category. Its dual fuel capability allows users to operate it with either gasoline or propane, providing flexibility and convenience, especially during extended power outages or outdoor activities. The ability to switch fuels with minimal effort is a game changer, ensuring you won't be left without power when one fuel source runs low. With a starting wattage of 8,500 watts and a running wattage of 4,250 watts, this generator delivers a reliable power output that can easily handle essential home appliances such as refrigerators, lights, and even larger devices like air conditioners. The inverter technology ensures that the power produced is safe for sensitive electronics, which is a critical feature for today's tech-savvy users. One of the standout features is the electric start system. With just the push of a button, you can fire up the generator without the hassle of manual recoil start, making it user-friendly for individuals of all ages. The unit is also equipped with a comprehensive control panel, including multiple outlets, 120V and 240V, and USB ports, providing ample options for powering a variety of devices. The unit's noise level is surprisingly low for a generator of this size, operating at around 58 dBA from 23 feet, which is comparable to normal conversation levels. This makes it suitable for residential areas where noise can be an issue. Moreover, the generator's portability is enhanced by its rugged wheels and foldable handle, allowing for easy transportation to job sites or recreational areas. The durable construction and quality components inspire confidence in its longevity and performance. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 8500W Electric Start Dual Fuel Home Backup Portable Inverter is an excellent investment for anyone looking for reliable, versatile, and portable power. It combines ease of use, performance, and convenience, making it a top choice for both home backup and outdoor adventures.